Oh, hello there. Let's take a look at multiplying decimals problem solving. So, on today's episode, we're going to take a look at probably word problems. I'm guessing if they're talking about problem solving. So, let's move forward and hope our computer screen doesn't do that every time, but it's going to do that every time apparently. All right, so study the following image. Just put my thing over here. Okay. Oh, goodness. Okay, so what we are looking at once again is a area model or a strip diagram. It looks like we have a lot of pieces. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 pieces, and it looks like we're missing the whole. It looks like in each piece there's 1 7/10. So if I'm excuse me, organizing my information, I have 1 7/10, and then I have that how many times? Let's count that in pieces again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm looking at 1 7/10 12 times. All right. So what I want to do is I want to find out what the whole is, right? That missing piece, the long piece, has a question mark, right? So we would like to know what the whole is. So if I wanted to figure that out, I could do 1 7/10 times 12. Remember, when we're setting up the problem, just pretend like the decimal point isn't even there. So this would be 17 times 12, right? Once we do that, we can put the decimal point back. It doesn't feel right. It looks like the decimals are off. Your place value is off. But when we're multiplying decimals, really, this is the easiest way, and it's going to save a lot of time and effort. So let's go ahead and multiply. 7 times 2 is 14. Carry the 1. 7 times 1 is 7. Plus 1 is 8. Second line, 1's place, 0. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 1 is 1. We'll add this together. 8 plus 2 is 10, so I'm carrying my 1. And we have 204. We have 1 decimal place. So it's 20 4/10. All right, so this question mark equals 20 4/10. So let's check it out. Did they give us that? Nope, they do not. All right, so I think what they're trying to show us is we are supposed to be using strip diagrams or area models to problem solve. All right. I'm going the wrong way on the mouse wheel. Okay, I figured out how to make it not jump. I'm going to use the mouse wheel. Okay, so this question mark part, if I'm using my pen, I can just fill in the question mark part. That was 20 4/10, right? If we were going to do an area model for this one, this is, or like a different, like the area models we were doing yesterday, this is where it would get kind of insane because we'd be making 1 7/10 12 times. So we'd have to make that group 12 times. So that'd be a lot of drawing pictures. So we might not do it that way. So this area model is a better way to visualize. Okay, so, there we go. A local store ordered boxes of Poppets. Oh, they're trying to get hip with it. A local store ordered boxes of Poppets. Each box cost $13.85. All right. If the store ordered 18 boxes, how much did they spend on Poppets? Okay, so they might want us to draw an area model for this one. It's going to be a big area model because we have to make 18 groups. All right. So I'll tell you what, let's try the algorithm because it always works. So I want you to try and set up this problem. 13 8/8500 times 18. Pretend like the decimal point isn't there. So 1,385 times 18. Then put your decimal point in. When we come back to the next video, see if you set up your algorithm the same way. I'll see you then.